Hello and welcome to Hussein Int. So in this video we'll create a QR code in Python. QR code is a quick responsive code and it is pretty simple in Python to create in Python. So we have to open CMD first and we'll have to install few modules. So first we'll install pip install. It's called pyqr code. So it will install you the QR code module and then we'll have to install uh, uh, pypng. So these are the two modules that you will require to create a QR code. So first we will import our pyqr code. So let's say we have to convert a word called, we'll create a variable name and our data. It's on you. So I'll write Hussein. So I'll convert this this string to our QR code in QR code form. So it's pretty simple. We'll write let's say QR is equal to py QR code dot create. So this is a function of QR code and we'll write data. So it will create as the QR code in variable QR, and now we'll have to convert this QR into image form. So we'll write QR dot it's called PNG. We'll have to convert into PNG. So we'll give our name, let's say QR code dot PNG, and we'll have to give a scale. Scale is for, it's actually a size thing. So we'll give 8. The default value is 8 here. So that's it. So this is our 4 lines code and it will create us the QR code. So we'll run this. So it's completed and we got our PNG code here, and that's our code, QR code for our data Hussein Int. So let's say we give some random number, randomly you can give anything, and it will generate us the QR code. So we got our QR code. So that's it guys. It was a very simple and easy video. So hope you have liked this. Show your support by subscribing to this channel. Thank you.